Welcome to Essential English Only.
Your practical English lessons in podcast format.
Hi, learners. My name is Lizzie.
And my name is Alex.
A very warm welcome to Essential English Only.
Hi, how are you? I don't think we've met before. My name is Alex.
Hello. Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Lizzie. How are you today?
Pleasure to meet you, Lizzie. I'm good, thanks. A little tired after work, but excited to talk. And you?
I'm fine too, Alex. I enjoy meeting new people. There's always something new to learn.
That's true, Lizzie. Can I ask, are you from here or are you visiting the city?
I'm from here, born and raised. My family has lived in the city for generations. And you, Alex?
I moved here a few years ago because of work. At first it was a bit hard to adjust, but now I feel at home.
That's good to hear, Alex. And what do you like most about living here?
I really like the parks and the cafes. It feels like the city is busy, but there are still quiet places where you can relax.
True. I love the cafes too. Sometimes I sit there with a book for hours.
Do you like your job here, Lizzie?
Yes, I do. I work as a teacher in a language school. I enjoy helping my students learn English. What about you, Alex?
I work in a technology company. It's challenging, but I learn something new almost every day. It keeps me motivated.
That sounds interesting, Alex. Working with technology must change quickly.
Yes, sometimes too quickly. But I like solving problems and building new things.
That makes sense. For me, teaching is about building too, but with people. Seeing a student understand something for the first time is very rewarding.
I agree, Lizzie. That's why I also enjoy learning languages. I'm not perfect, but I try to practice every day.
That's the right way. Many people feel blocked when speaking, but the secret is small practice, step by step.
Exactly, Lizzie. Can I ask, what is your daily routine like?
Is this making English easier for you? You can show it with a like.
Sure. I wake up early, have breakfast, and go to school. I spend the morning and afternoon with my students. After that, I like to walk or read at home.
Interesting. My routine is a bit different. I usually wake up later because I work until late at night. I drink strong coffee and then go straight to the office.
I see, Alex. And do you usually cook at home or eat out?
Most of the time I cook at home. I think it's healthier and cheaper. But sometimes I go out with friends for dinner. What about you, Lizzie?
I also prefer cooking at home. I like preparing simple but tasty dishes. Sometimes I try a new recipe.
That's fun. What's your favorite dish to cook, Lizzie?
Probably pasta with vegetables. It's quick and delicious. And you, Alex?
I like cooking rice with chicken. My mother taught me when I was younger. It always brings back good memories.
That's nice, Alex. Food really connects us with memories, doesn't it?
Absolutely, Lizzie. For me, the smell of chicken with spices always makes me feel like I'm back home.
Besides cooking, do you have other hobbies, Alex?
Yes, I enjoy playing guitar and watching movies on weekends. Sometimes I spend hours watching different kinds, from comedies to documentaries. And you, Lizzie, what do you like in your free time?
I enjoy reading novels and walking in the park. When I have more time, I like to travel to nearby towns and exploring new places.
That's interesting, Lizzie. I also enjoy traveling, especially to historical cities. I think learning about culture and architecture is fascinating.
I agree. Traveling is like opening a window to the world.
Do you enjoy sports, Lizzie?
I'm not very sporty, but I like swimming in the summer. For me, it's more relaxing than heavy exercise.
I see. I like playing football with my coworkers now and then. I'm not great at it, but it's fun.
That's what matters, Alex. Having fun.
Can I ask about your family, Lizzie?
Of course. I live alone, but my family is close. I have an older brother named Daniel. He works in another city, but we talk often. What about you, Alex?
I have a younger sister, Sophia. She's still in university. My parents live in another town, and I visit them on some weekends.
That's nice, Alex. Do you usually spend holidays together?
Yes, we always try to meet at Christmas and other special days. It's very important for us.
I feel the same. Spending holidays with family is essential.
Do your parents live nearby, Lizzie?
Yes, they live in a neighborhood not too far. It's easy to visit and have dinner with them sometimes. That makes me happy.
That's great, Lizzie. For me, it's harder. I need to travel for a few hours, but when I can, it's worth it.
Family moments are always worth it.
Absolutely.
Lizzie, you said you like traveling. Is there a city you really dream of visiting, Alex?
Yes, I'd love to visit Paris. I've always heard about the Eiffel Tower, the cafes, and the museums. Spending a few days there would be unforgettable. And you, Lizzie? What's your dream city?
For me, it's Barcelona. I'd love to see Gaudi's work, like the Sagrada Familia, and walk through the lively streets.
Great choice, Lizzie. Barcelona seems full of energy.
And in the future, do you have any goals you want to achieve, Alex?
Yes, I'd like to work on international projects, maybe live abroad for a while. I think about spending some months in Germany or the Netherlands.
That's very interesting, Alex. I also think about teaching abroad, maybe in London. I always imagined giving classes to people from many different countries in one place.
That would be amazing, Lizzie. London is so multicultural, you'd meet the world in one classroom.
Besides work, I also have a personal goal. I want to learn how to play piano. It's a dream I never really started.
That's wonderful, Lizzie. I think learning an instrument is special. I already play the guitar, but in the future, I'd like to learn cooking more elaborate dishes, maybe real Italian food.
I can imagine it already. You play the guitar, I play the piano, and later we prepare an Italian dinner.
Sounds like a plan, Lizzie.
But seriously, these small goals make life more colorful.
I agree, Lizzie. Personal projects help us not to live only for work.
Yes, they give us motivation to keep growing.
Exactly. Small victories give us energy for bigger challenges. By the way, what kind of music do you enjoy listening to, Lizzie?
Good question. I like jazz and pop, depending on my mood. When I want to relax, jazz is perfect. When I want energy, I listen to pop. And you, Alex?
I'm more into rock and acoustic music. Maybe that's why I love the guitar so much. But I also enjoy some classical pieces, especially when I need to focus.
Interesting. Music really tells a lot about a person, Alex.
That's true. Do you like going to concerts, Lizzie?
Yes, I do, but not very often. The last concert I went to was a jazz festival, and it was amazing.
That sounds great. I went to a rock concert last year, Lizzie, and the energy was unbelievable.
Wizzy, do you have many close friends?
Yes, I do. I have a small group, but they are very important to me. We usually meet to play football or watch movies. What about you, Lizzie?
I also have a few close friends. Some are from childhood, and others are colleagues who became very important in my life.
That's wonderful, Lizzie. Having people to count on makes life much richer.
Exactly.
Do you usually go out a lot at night or prefer quiet plans, Lizzie?
It depends. Sometimes I go to a restaurant or the cinema, but most of the time I prefer staying home, cooking something and listening to music.
I'm the same, Lizzie. I used to go out more, but now I enjoy calm evenings. Sometimes just playing guitar at home is enough.
That shows you value simple things, Alex.
Yes, I think so. And you, Lizzie, are you more reserved or more open?
I guess I'm a mix. At first, I'm a bit shy, but when I feel comfortable, I'm open and talkative.
I understand, Lizzie. I'm the same. At first, I'm quiet, but later, I enjoy talking a lot, like now.
Yes, Alex, I think we're past the shy part.
Definitely, Lizzie. We've already shared a lot today, from our daily routines to our hobbies and even dreams for the future.
That's true. I found out you like cooking rice with chicken, you enjoy playing guitar, and you dream of visiting Paris.
And I learned you like pasta with vegetables, you want to play the piano, and Barcelona is your dream destination.
I also discovered you prefer quiet evenings now, that you have a younger sister named Sophia, and that family gatherings are very important for you, Alex.
And I remember you live close to your parents, you like walking in the park, and you once went to a jazz festival, Lizzie.
Seems like we already know a lot about each other, Alex, at least for the beginning of a friendship.
I agree, Lizzie, and it was great to have such a relaxed conversation.
For me too, talking like this reminds us that everyone has an interesting story to share.
Exactly, Lizzie. And maybe next time we can share even more, like favorite childhood memories or travel experiences.
That would be great, Alex. I already look forward to it.
I'm Alex, and this is Essential English Only. Keep listening, repeating, and developing your English every day. You really learned what matters. See you in the next lesson, focusing on the essentials.